Hi everyone, welcome back to another TechFury YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable drag and drop feature in Windows 11. Because in Windows 10, you can drag and drop to taskbar and it will open that application and you can do whatever you want. So in here, if you let's try out on Windows 11, you can't do it. It's not opening the application. I'm not sure why they have removed it or forgot to put it into Windows 11. But right now you can't do it. So there's a way you can fix this issue because someone has created this application, which is Windows 11 drag and drop to taskbar fix, and uh, you need to go down and click download binary. And in here, go to this section and click on the exe file. It will download that application. I'm going to click download. It's downloaded. So I'm going to go to the downloads folder. This is download folder. In here, you just need to open this application. So once you open this application, the drag and drop feature is enabled now. So what now if I type this PDF file, you go down, drag and drop and go to Google, it shows here. So I can put it like this. So that's it for this application, but there's a one thing. So this is just a exe file. This is just a application file. This is not a setup file. So you're not installing anything. So next time you start your PC after the restart, this application will not start. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is copy this application. I'm going to close this application for now. Copy this application, go to C drive, create a folder. I have already created for one, and I'm going to delete this file because I have tested before to show you to you guys. And right click it and paste it here. You can put any name we want into the folder, that's fine. And once you paste it here, you need to create a txt file with the configuration. So how to do it? Let me show you. Go to Google and go to this link and go back. In here, there's a configuration.md file. Click on it and you can see the person who created this application has given a detailed documentation how to put the txt file and what configuration you can change, those kind of things, and what these keys mean. So what you need to do is copy this name and go to the folder, right click it, click go to new, click text document and paste it here, the name. So it is the same like Windows 11 drag and drop taskbar fix, the same name with and there's a config. So that's how you change it. So once you've done that, you need to open this txt file in editor. So I'm using Notepad++. You can just open in the default Notepad. So that's fine. Once you come here, go to the website again. I'm in a GitHub repository. Once you come here, go down. You can see general option. Should the application run automatically on system startup? So you need to copy this one. And it says if you put 1, it will create a registry key, which will automatically start. So if you put 0, it will not run. So I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste it here and make it 1. So it will automatically start it up. I'm going to click save, click exit, and you need to execute this application, open this application, and you're good to go. So the second time you restart your machine or maybe shut down and start the machine again, this application will be starting up automatically. So that's it for today's video. Now you can drag and drop anything you want. This happened to me a lot of time because sometimes I'm gonna open like document uploader and I'm gonna minimize it and find the document I need to upload. Then I'm gonna drag and drop and paste it to Chrome. It doesn't work because I can't do it in Windows 11. So now I can with this application. Okay, that's it for today's video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like what I have shown you today, and see you next time with another great video.